Hey guys, we're out jeeping. I just wanted to show this JoyTutus bag. Hangs on your grab handle in the Jeep Gladiator. It'd work for any of the Jeeps actually that has the grab handle, so the JKs, JLs, the Wranglers, any of them. So it also has a nice mesh pocket on the outside, and if you unzip it, you can see on the inside it actually has an extra pocket on the inside. Lots of room down in it. Zips, of course, either way, or you can zip them both in the middle. But also, there's plenty of room so it's not in your way, as long as you get the seats scooted back. And with the 3 Velcro straps, it's actually really solid. We had another one that was smaller this way, but this one will hold a lot more. And just for your cell phone, you could actually just throw it in the pocket right there. Hold your cell phone or whatever and store all kinds of stuff in there. So we're going to set a cell phone in there and see. Just like that, just to carry your phone for the passenger. Actually, you can scoot over and you can carry the passenger and driver phone in there. But it is from JoyTutus, so check out the link below. I'll put a link to it in the description, and you can check it out on Amazon. Right on.